front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. By launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a photo and instantly add it, click on this icon of two arrows at the top right corner of camera section located on the left. Then switch it to the one you wanna use. Use available options, and when you're done, just take a pic. As you can see, it was automatically attached to your message, to my message actually. If you wanna attach photos you already have, you can either scroll and click on them here, or if you can't find them, select Folders, look for a chosen one, and tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!